Hey guys, what's up? Well, I have some great, exciting news to tell you. So, as you probably are aware, Hans did make a sperm web, so that's confirmed. So, probably next week, we're going to be pairing up with Gretel, my female, and that's going to be exciting. Can't wait to get some little tea blondies for sale. Sweet. And here's my little cute little bee Amelia. Some updates on Pete Peterson and I, Ghost Ornamental. This is Medusa. The female I tried to mate with, what was his name? Alfred. Yeah, there we go. Got so many T's I can't remember their names, but and still no sign of her being gravid. But I'll wait until that's gonna happen. So this is an idea what Peterson and I look like. You can see they don't have any yellow bands. That's why they call it the Ghost Ornamental. See what else is there to shoot. Oh yes, I have some great new exciting teas that are coming up. So a lot of people were devastated that my E. Moranis died, but no matter. I actually did find one, and it's all bought and paid for. So it should be coming early next week. Yeah, and then might be interested in L. parahybana because a guy named Cayman Arachnoboards has a little female and I might be interested in buying because I know that one's a male, this one's a male, and possibly this one's a male. But as you can see, she's finally getting ready to molt. So I guess we'll document this and we'll see how big he'll get. Hoping, and then I could try to sex it to see if it's another male. So, worst comes to worst, I know if I buy that 3.5-inch female, Lawrence will probably be mature and won't be good. So at least I have that one right there, starting to darken, which is a good sign. So that could be in pre-molt, and this one. So at least I have some L. parahybanas up my sleeve and I could try breeding them. Cool. Oh gee, I totally forgot about this. Right now it's 3 hours since Dan molted, and you can see he's still pulling out. As teas tend to age, they start to molt just a wee bit slower. So I noticed at 2 hours he wasn't doing anything, so I'm assuming he started around 12 o'clock a.m. right now. Right now it's 12:23, and he's probably around halfway done. And hopefully I could try to sex him to see if it's a real male or a female. I'm hoping it's a female, but rest assured I have a female LP coming up next week. And now it's about 10 minutes later, you start to see him emerging. I'd say he'll probably be maybe 2.5 inches, maybe a little bit smaller than that guy. Yeah. So he's pretty cool. Hard to see. I don't want to disturb him. It's best not to disturb any tea when they're in pre-molt or when they actually are molting. So I'd probably expect him around 2.75 inches, maybe 3. And now he or she is all done. And yeah, considerable difference than before. Cool. That's another 15 minutes. I just went ahead and pulled out the molt. And oh my god, he or she is a big difference. Look how considerably leggy he is. Definitely, probably a big boy or a girl. I have no idea. Alright, so let's see if I can try to sex it. But anyways, that was cool, so hope you enjoyed this awesome molt video, and stay tuned for a little short snippet video of me trying to sex this molt. since this camera is not the greatest to pick up the fine details. Alright guys, peace.